mentioned the 6 ways you save costs by automating your cutting and welding. I want to see what people have learned, if anything. So does anybody here have a $100 bill? Rick, you have a $100 bill? Anybody have a $100 bill? Somebody here must have a $100 bill. Now, what I'm going to do is, and your name again is Ned, right?
Yes.
Okay, Ned, you're in your shop, and one day your boss comes in and says, Ned, we got this big project coming in, and we're going to make a lot of money, and I trust you and your group to figure out the best way to fabricate this and get us the profit margins that we need. And Ned, if you do, I'll give you a $100 bonus, and I'll send you and your wife on a trip away for a week. So Ned gets together with his people, and he comes up with 5 different methods that he can fabricate the job. And what I'm going to do is the $100 profit represents the 5th method. I'll stick it in this envelope, like so, and seal it. And now what I'm going to do is take these envelopes and mix them up so you or me, not even Ned, has any idea where that $100 bill is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pen and I'm going to mark the pen with 5 numbers so that we can see, if I can find the pen, the difference between the different ways of doing it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Ned. You and your group have gotten together. You've come up with the 5 different ways to generate your company the profit you're looking for. Would you be kind enough to call out a number?
4.
Number 4. All right. Would you pass that back to Ned, please? Ned, do not open the envelope. I have such faith in your decision making, Ned. That
oh, Ned.
I'm going to trust your decision making skills and destroy the rest. Now, Ned, what was it that made you decide on process number 4 was the most efficient way to earn you the $100 profit?
The number of kids I have.
Oh, that's a good way of doing it. I like that. Okay, well then, would you be kind enough to open the envelope and let everybody see what's inside? And?
3 of hearts.
What?
3 of hearts.
No, that's not. All right, I'll tell you what. So much for your decision making. All right, tell you what, Ned. You take these ashes. You go down to your local bank and you tell them what happened. I'm sure they'll be glad to give you your money back.
I'll make you an even exchange. I'll take that bug over 3,000.
Well, it's not quite. But what we didn't tell you is that Ned called us before the application came in place, and what he did was he asked us to take a look at the application. And so what we did is we came in, and I have a zippered wallet, and in this zippered wallet is a sealed envelope. And that envelope says, "The magic of mechanization." And I'm going to open it. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you what, Ned, why don't you open it and take a look at what's inside there and let us know.
$200 bills.
There you go. All right, thank you. Good decision making.